Hi guys, welcome to Cujo's Candles Co. My name is Marie. Let me first take a moment to thank you all who have been supporting my channel, leaving comments and questions below. I truly appreciate you guys. Also, thank you so very much for all the new subbies for joining us. Make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe for upcoming videos. So today's video is very different from what we usually do on this channel. Usually I talk about candle making and all that, but today we are going to make room sprays. It's super easy to make room sprays, guys. I actually couldn't believe it, and I love making room sprays, guys. So you will need few ingredients here. I will leave all the link to my ingredients. If you want them, I'll leave them in the comment section, or I will leave them in the description below. Actually, not in the comment section, but in the description below. So the material that you will need is something to measure your distilled water in, two little containers to use for measuring your polysorbate, and also your fragrance oil. And also you will need little bottles, you need a scale, and you will need a little funnel or something like that, so you're able to put the mixture into the bottle. So as I have mentioned already that you will need distilled water, you will also need Polysorbate 80, you will need Phenonip, which is a natural preservative. You will also need your fragrance oil. Reason why you need Polysorbate 80 is because it helps with blending oil and water together, so which you will be doing in this when you're making your room spray. You will need to mix your water and also your fragrance oil together, so it's not going to blend together if you don't use Polysorbate 80. The Phenonip, I don't know how to say it. It's a natural preservative. This prevents molds, bacteria, fungal growth in your room spray. So you actually don't want fungal in your stuff. Since the water is mixed in there, you don't want the fungal growing in your room spray. So that's why you add like a little bit, just a little bit of Phenonip in there to preserve the water. So if you need my recipe, or if you want my recipe, I will leave it in the description below. So far, guys, if you like what I'm saying, make sure you thumbs up this video. So I want to talk a bit about room spray. Room sprays are basically like cologne, but they are for linens and couches, and just rooms, right? So let's say you are in college, but they're not allowing you, or they don't allow you to burn candles in there. Like my sister, she's in college and they are not allowed to have candles in their room. So what she does is that she takes one of my room sprays with her and she goes ahead and sprays it in the room for her. So yeah, as a college student, this is really, helpful for to replace your candles and whatnot. You can take this room spray with you as well to your hotel if you're traveling. So I tend to have to get homesick when I'm away. So I tend to take my candles with me, like my travel size candles. But also another thing is that you can take your room spray with you and spray it in the room, because sometimes some hotels do smell like cigarette and stuff like that. So if you have an unpleasant smell in there you want to get rid of, the room spray is there if you don't want to burn the candle, just in case. I have wanted to add room spray to my collection for a long time, so I decided that, well, I am relaunching in September 25th, why not add room sprays, right? So here you go. I will have like room spray on my relaunch on my website. There will be like fall scent candles, my new scent candles, guys. I cannot wait for you guys to smell this. And I have like the wax melts there, the room sprays, hand sanitizers, have like soap there, and I just cannot wait to show you guys how much work I have been putting into this and things that I am coming up with. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to stay updated on everything that's coming up, guys. And so if you want the link to my recipe, I will leave it in the comment below. Let's thumbs up this video so that we can help other people out there, okay? As you can see me here, I'm just spilling all the wax melt because I didn't have the picture for it. But you know what, it's okay because I just bought a new picture for it, and in my next video making the wax melt you will see it. And then here I am using my luxurious room spray bottles. What do you guys think about that? Let me know what you think about these room sprays, because you know they're so cool. This spray really fine, and it's just beautiful. I can't wait to have my logo on there and the labels and everything. They all come in their own individual box. And also on my website I will have a subscription box that I'm starting, because people have been actually asking for it, and I actually have one order that's sitting behind me right now. I have been selling them in the background, but now I think I am ready to have them on my website. So stay tuned guys, I am so excited, but I really hope that you like this video. All the details and the links will be left in the description box below. So in my next video I will be discussing about my pop-up event experience, things that I had, how my setup was. I will share pictures with you guys and some short clips. I think I will share some tips and tricks which I think will be helpful for some of you guys who are researching or maybe thinking about doing a pop-up event. I really do think that pop-up events are important if you want to be known in your area and stuff like that. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, take care.